you're into beauty, fashion, skincare, and you want to start working with brands, this video is for you. I'll be sharing exactly how I got started and why relying on YouTube isn't the best strategy anymore. So let's dive right into it. If you see my face for the first time, my name is Mercy and I'm so glad to have you here. Please do it to subscribe and let's be one big family. Last year, I think it was around March, I decided that I'm going to really take this content creation very seriously, kind of define what I'm doing on social media and get serious for once. When I started making beauty content, I had no idea brands will actually pay me to talk about their product. First collaboration were unpaid, my second collaboration were unpaid, my third one were unpaid, and I was actually happy about that. But over time I learned how to position myself to start getting paid. That's not to say that every product that I put out there, every product that I talked about are all paid collab. The key was consistency, improving my content quality and understanding what brand looks for. So if you're just starting, TikTok is your best friend. The platform is still one of the easiest way to go viral. It's not that I've went viral, maybe once. Brands actually love working with TikTok creators because of the engagement. Okay, so I just got this package and I'm very sure it's from Maybelline. So imagine getting a package from your favorite brand. This is their Super Stay Teddy tint. I can't wait to try this out. This just came by on time. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Even if you don't want to grow on YouTube, having TikTok content makes it easier to attract brands. So if you're just starting, I would advise you start from TikTok. You don't need a huge following. Brands care about engagement more than numbers. Showcase product in your videos naturally, review tutorial, get ready with me videos and hauls. Use good lighting and clear audios. You don't need a professional setup, but your video should look clean and easy to watch. Natural light is your best friend. Make your content brand friendly, like showcase the product in your video naturally. Let's say for example you bought this product, talk about it and tag the brand. Brands want to work with creators who are active, so stay consistent, not someone who posts once every 2 months. It doesn't work like that. You have to focus on creating content that attract brands. You have to have a niche. Don't just wait for brands to reach out to you. Find a brand that align with your content and send a simple page like, hi brand, my name is Mercy, I'm a beauty creator who love your product. Make sure it's specific product. Let's say for example this setting spray that you have been using and you love it so much, then you say I would love to collaborate and share this setting spray with my audience and let me know if you're open to working together. It's as simple as that. Don't undervalue yourself. If a brand offers you a free product, feel free to ask if they have a budget for paid collaborations. If they say no and you like the product, then go ahead and accept the collaboration. Then if you're just starting out, you need products to build your page or to build your portfolio, so go ahead and accept the collaboration. And if you don't actually like the product, don't promote it. Your audience trusts you and that trust is more valuable than one-time payments. YouTube should be your only source of income in 2025, to be honest. Besides brand deals, consider affiliate marketing, digital products, and even content creation for brand. The one that brands will only use on their platform. You're not going to post it on your page. I'll be making a separate video about UGC, how you can create content for brand without even posting it on your page. If you've been thinking about working with brands, start now. Focus on creating great content, be consistent, and don't be afraid to pitch yourself. Don't forget to subscribe because my next video on UGC is going to be a game changer. So let me know in the comments what's your biggest struggle when it comes to brand when it comes to working with brands. Thank you all so much for watching this video and I will see you all in my next one.